That chicken looks good. And look, those ribs right there. Bring some out right here. See, I got a beef patty and a curry chicken. When Dixie got some nice wings in there, y'all. Look, y'all, that chicken looks good. And look, those ribs right there. Look at this, man. Look at this, man. They got barbecue riblets, barbecue wings, breaded wings, and Winn Dixie. I'm so tempted, man. But y'all know I'm about to go to the spot next door, man. We in Winn Dixie. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. I heard that the Jamaica Kitchen got some of the best bean pies this side of Jamaica. So we're gonna go over there, man. It's behind me. We're gonna go over there and check them out and see if it's true. I think I'm gonna get a beef patty, man. Maybe that's it. Because, you know, we got to hit a couple restaurants while we're here in Miami. We are in Miami. The address would be down here, man. Let's go check out the Jamaica Kitchen. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna get the spicy beef and the curry chicken.
Patty, right?
Yes, I'm sorry.
All right, one spice and a curry.
Yeah, the curry chicken and the spicy beef.
All right, that's it?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, you know what? Get a ginger beer.
One ginger beer?
Yep.
One spicy and one curry. I thought you wanted 8 curry chicken.
Yeah. Look, they even bringing something out right now. Pretty dope. All right, y'all. We got our food, y'all. Check it out. Let's check it out, man. Look at this. Look at this right here. I don't want to get on the car. The car is there. I don't know which one this is. Is it marked? Nope. We're going to have to see. I got a beef patty and a curry chicken. Let's see which one is which, man. Let's check it out. Mmm. Mmm. The pastry, I'm calling everything a pastry now. The pastry is absolutely delicious. I bit into just a little bit of that curry chicken there, but not much. Look, see it in there? A lot of space in there. Mmm. Oh, wow. Only thing I really bit into was the pastry. I mean, I got a little bit of curry chicken, but these pastries are delicious. I gotta break it, man. I want to taste some of this curry chicken. Okay, I got a nice piece of curry chicken right there. Look at that. Mmm. These are official, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. They were $3 each, FYI. My gimbal died, man. I'm a bad YouTuber. I should have charged the gimbal last night, but the gimbal that holds the phone up died. Let's go into this some more. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. This is really good, y'all. Let me turn the car off. I don't know if y'all hear that or not. Mmm. Ice cold ginger beer. Y'all know that's all I roll with. Hold up. Let's put the top back on. I'm gonna set that on the ground. I'm gonna switch this one off. Oh, I even taste it's leaving a little spicy. And this one here, let's put it back in the pouch. Wow. Let's break this one open. Okay, y'all. Oh my goodness, that's that beef patty right there. See the beef? See that beef patty? Oh. Look at that, man. Look at that, look at that. That joke was hot. And y'all see it's been sitting here for a minute. Once again, that patty dough, perfect. I think this is the best patty dough that I've had. I'm calling it pastry dough, beef patty dough. When I say it's hot, it's temperature hot and spicy hot. This is so spicy good, man. I've never had a beef patty this good. It's starting to That's so hot and spicy. I need something to drink. Y'all already know I don't have any napkins, so I'm not even gonna talk about it. I'm about to sign off, man. This your man, Matt DV, at the Jamaica Kitchen. This spicy beef is truly what they say it is, and it's delicious. Oh. If y'all in Miami, come check out Jamaica Kitchen. We'll put the address up there. Thanks for coming out, hanging out with me. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. I love you, cats. This your man, Matt DV. We're on to the next one. I know I got more. If I could do it again, I would have got 2 beef. The chicken curry is delicious, but I like that spiciness, that hot spiciness of the beef. That's that sun coming up behind me, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ain't nothing like it in the world, man. Standing on the beach and watching the sun rise up over the horizon. Simply magnificent. Magnificent. I know it's magnificent, but you just get creative and start making your own words up out here. Simply magnificent. Look at that. Look at that.